Kathleen was invited to her cousin's wedding. She was the only one out of all her siblings and cousins to not be married. She was not even dating anyone. Kathleen did not want to go to her cousin's wedding because her relatives would ask why she wasn't dating anyone. Kathleen's parents pushed her to go, though. Kathleen asked her friend Eugene to go as her date. "Can you pretend that we're dating?" she asked. He laughed. "Okay, but only because you're my best friend," he said. Kathleen brought Eugene to the wedding. He liked that there was an open bar and the food selection was good too. Kathleen's aunt, Catherine, came up to her. "Is this your boyfriend?" she asked. Kathleen nodded and said that they have been dating for 6 months. "Oh, how nice! What do you do for a living?" Catherine asked. "I am in dental school, actually," he said. "Good for you," Catherine said. More relatives came up to Kathleen to ask about Eugene. They were very impressed with them. Kathleen and Eugene even held hands to keep up with the act. It was fun for them to pretend that they were dating. They came up with crazy stories of their time together. They pretended that they met at a casino while gambling.